In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny pop-ups in Google Chrome on an Android phone or tablet. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Chrome. And then just tap right here at these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. On Settings, you need to scroll down until you find Site Settings. Just get into Site Settings and then scroll down again until you find Pop-ups and Redirects. That's where we can allow or deny pop-ups and redirects on a Chrome web browser by toggling on or off that button. That's how we can deny it, and that's how we can allow it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.